chores for life. Clean my room for a month. Clean the bathroom. Make my bed.
Alright, you guys, drip check. Drip check. Drip check. Come on now, you see what I got on. You see what I got on feet? You know what I'm saying? Got the Saya Do Ones Yourself Lows, the farmer's market. What you mean? Clean. Alright, we're gonna start our day. Gonna cut a lot of hair today. Not really a lot. Like, I really slowed down because of COVID, so I'm cutting every 45 minutes. So it's only about 8. You know what I'm saying? It's only about 8. I kind of don't want to see that many people in a day, so, you know, that's why it's 8, you know. Let go. HustleDreamProduction.
Where you get your beats?
HustleDreamProduction.
Make my bed. Give me a back massage. Clean my shoes. Clean my shoes.
All right, you guys, this is my OG, OG, what is it, Cadillac from the 1967, 12, 13, 11. This is my car right here. We're about to change his life. It's his birthday cut.
Right on. Yep. I don't know what time it is.
It don't matter how old he is, bro. I still watch it. How do you want the old Spider-Man to be happy if they killed his uncle, bro? His boy. All right, you guys.
It's getting tough, baby.
We got a new question. We got a shop question. Old Spider-Man or new Spider-Man? In the comment section below, let me know which one you riding with. Old Spider-Man or new Spider-Man? Now let me explain something to y'all real quick. Now let me tell y'all why I feel like the new Spider-Man is better than the old Spider-Man. See, the thing about the old Spider-Man is the man kept letting Mary Jane run all over him. Let's just be real quick one time. The old Spider-Man really got played by his best friend, his girl, you know what I mean? Stand up, be a man, take care of your business. Now you're running around here saving the world and everything, and I get you lost your uncle and you're hurting, your heart is broken, we get that, but bro, keep your affairs in order. You running around here letting Mary Jane, Joanne, Fabric, all these girls is playing you, bro. See, what I like about the new Spider-Man is he gets the girl in real life, bro. Come on now, ain't nothing else to be said. He really a kid like he supposed to be? Dressed better? Tony Stark's hook him up with some new equipment? What you mean? This ain't even no debate. We don't even need to talk. He got the girl in real life, bro. What you mean?
HustleDreamProduction.
You're cheating.
No, I already got my hands up. what a bad haircut is?
Huh?
You know what a bad haircut is?
Yeah.
You know what a bad haircut is?
Mm-hmm.
You seen one before?
Yes.
Have you ever had one?
No.
Talk about it. This how you wanted it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Clean mom's room, my room, and your room.
It's mine and I need it now.
Mine, I need it now.
Hey, nah. We gonna pick this conversation back up. The new Spider-Man is better than the old Spider-Man, okay? It's a wrap. He looks better, dressed better. He got Tony Stark's to develop his equipment and all that.
Saying, bro, stop the cap.
The cap, there is no cap in what I'm saying right now. The new Spider-Man, it can't get no better than this.
Bro, get up out of
I'm
here
from the
with that.
old school, and I still like the new better Spider-Man.
Bro,
to be
you really
better.
got to go.
I'm from the old school. I'm from the old school, and I still like the new Spider-Man.
You got to
I'm
go
from
now.
the old school. I'm from the old school.
You got to go now.
Ow! My leg! My leg! The new Spider-Man is way better, yo.
Listen
No,
to
the
you.
new Spider-Man, he got way more. He got the girl, bro, in real life. He's just not, okay? Old news. He's done. It's over with. The new Spider-Man is here in town.
Bro.
Spider-Man is the new one is way better. The new one is way better, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. The new one is way better. I'm surprised Hasbro